I'm going to Bend. And from there, I don't know, but I do need to take a few days for my knee because it does hurt. And the longer I'm sitting here, when I go to stand up, I guess it's swollen up a little bit or something, and it's definitely painful now. So it did get injured when I twisted it up there in the snow. Just hopefully not too bad, and hopefully it's nothing a few days rest won't fix. And I kind of probably need to take a few days anyway, just to let snow melt, maybe a couple weeks. Here's the hostel, the oldest brick house in Bend. Cute little beer garden with food trucks. They're not quite open yet. I'm waiting though. I'm hungry. And they have a sauna over there and more showers. And this is the historic house. And then they have another little house over here that I'm staying in. Well, I'm in the hostel. My knee has really stiffened up and is really sore. I'm good otherwise. It's not swollen or anything. I'm sure it's not a major injury. It's just, I just tweaked it a little bit, and it just seems like it has a little bit of issue with holding me if I turn it sideways at all. If I'm just walking straight and flat, I'm good. But climbing over blowdowns and going through snow where I'm gonna be twisting that knee from side to side could hurt it worse and could become a major injury. So I'm taking a few days here at the hostel, and from here I'm gonna go to a sister of one of my friends in Portland, and then I'll probably go stay with one of my cousins for a few more days just to give it plenty of time to heal up. And I'm also waiting on snow to melt. You know, most of the trails above 5,000 feet, between 5,000 and 6,000. I'm even gonna run into some 7,000 foot mountains. And I've got friends coming in, the Queen and Boomerang that I started out on the trail with when I started northbound. They're coming up to hike with me mid-June, so I may just sit out for a while and wait on them to get here, and then hike together with them and go northbound. They're planning to go northbound all the way through Oregon, so I can, you know, do all the parts that I haven't done yet with them northbound. And it doesn't matter to me at this point. I just want to be safe. I don't want to be doing sketchy stuff in the snow where I'm gonna hurt myself again. So I'm gonna take a little break, I think. Here's what the hostel looks like. I had it to myself the first night. Last night I shared it with Dana, a really nice lady, and she's not here tonight, but she'll be back tomorrow night. I think I'll be gone by tomorrow night. I'm leaving in the morning. I'm gonna take a bus up to Portland and stay with one of my friends. But this is what the hostel room looks like. 2 bunks on that side, 2 bunks on this side. It appears that I've got it all to myself tonight, although someone could still come in a little bit later. It's got some lockers, steps, a fan, a heater. This will be dinner, mole enchiladas. Waiting on my bus at the Hawthorne station in Bend. Heading to Portland to stay with a friend for a few days. Made it to Portland, had a wonderful stay with Jon and Barbara. Barbara's the sister of my friend Jan that I hike with in their beautiful home. Now I'm heading to Eugene to my cousin's house. This is my train to Eugene.
got to see my cousins Julie, Jill, and Bonnie, and I got to help them prepare this feast for a relative's graduation from high school. This is a charcuterie tray. It was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. It was so good seeing everybody.